guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today, I'll be doing an unboxing and complete product review of this. This is Baumann Shake and Go Personal Blender.
Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
So this is Baumann Shake and Go Personal Blender. This is best for making smoothies, juices, and other beverages. Yes, smoothies, because every week or every 2 weeks, I'll be making smoothies that are healthy, no added sugar, and dairy-free. Smoothies are creamy drinks made of real fruits and vegetables, blended with milk, yogurt, and other liquid. It is one way to eat fruits and vegetables the healthy way. Healthy because smoothies are made of real fruits and vegetables that are low in fat and high in fiber. And it's better to make your own drink than drinking ready-made beverages, because you know what you are drinking, you know what your drink is made of, you know for sure that your drink has no magic. So I got this Baumann Shake and Go Personal Blender from SNR for 1,400 pesos. I've been checking this out for how many months now, hoping it will be 50% off or buy one take one. Unfortunately, it's on regular price. Anyway, ganun talaga. If you want it, go for it. So let's open na the box. So it comes with the manual, the lid, and the bottle. It comes with two bottles. This is the blade, and the motor. There. It has the motor has its anti-slip base, so making sure it is stable, upright for you. And it has two lids, one with just the cap, and then the other one with the flip cap. Yeah, there. So yun. So tara. Smoothies tayo.
Before we use this blender, let's familiarize first with the parts again. First, base, powered by 300 watts motor with high speed of 25,000 RPM. Next, blade assembly, made of stainless steel blades which can easily crush ice, fruits, and vegetables in seconds. Next, two 600 ml BPA-free bottles. Next, two lids, a flip-top lid and a travel lid. And lastly, the user manual. Before using the blender, don't forget to wash and dry the bottles and its lid. Just be careful with the blades. So how to use the Baumann Shake and Go Personal Blender? Here's how. Step 1. Place base on a flat surface with outlet unplugged. Step 2. Fill the bottle with ingredients you want. Remember to peel and cut the fruits and vegetables first, and put solid before liquid. So to make the apple carrot soy smoothie, put in the apples, then the carrots, pour in the soy milk, and lastly, the ice. And then screw the bottle onto the blade assembly. Step 3. Plug the blender and fit the bottle onto the base. Step 4. Twist bottle clockwise to blend to your desired consistency, and twist bottle counterclockwise to stop blending. And step 5. Unplug blender from the outlet and remove bottle off the base and enjoy. You can either pour the content into a drinking cup and slurp it up, or replace the blade assembly with lid and gulp on the go.
So there, the Baumann Shake and Go Personal Blender. As you saw, it is very easy to use. Yun lang, I just want to warn everyone, just do a one twist when you do the blending, and one twist when you stop the blending. Not too much twist because you might unscrew the bottle while the blade assembly is on the motor and spill your content. Although it did not happen on my testing a while ago, I just foresee that that might happen to me because I am clumsy. So I just warn everyone about that. So there. And then for my apple carrot soy smoothie, as you see, I did not use added sugar because I can't take too much sweets because I get sort of easily. For me, the apple and the carrot sweetness is already enough for that. And I use soy milk and I chose dairy free because healthy. It's all up to you what you want to add on your smoothie and enjoy. So that's about it. If you have any question, suggestion, call-up, or product feature, please comment down below, or you can send me a private message through my Facebook or Instagram. Please feel free to like and share this video, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button to get notified for new uploads. So after a week or after 2 weeks, I'll be doing another smoothie recipe. So please stay tuned on my YouTube channel for more contents. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye-bye.